The first $1,000 he made with AI almost ruined his financial future. Not because he lost the money, because he learned the wrong lesson from it. His name was Alex. He wasn't a programmer. He had no investors, no audience, no special connections. He was simply tired of struggling financially. Then one night, he discovered AI, and suddenly his feed was full of people saying, AI can make you rich. Alex thought, maybe this is my way out. And that's when the chase began. He started with AI content, then AI automation, then an AI agency, then digital products. Every time he saw someone making money with a new AI tool, he changed direction. He wasn't getting poorer. Something more dangerous was happening. He was getting distracted. Months passed. Alex knew dozens of AI tools. He had hundreds of ideas, but he had built nothing that could keep creating value without him. Then one night, he asked himself a different question. What if I stop asking AI how to make me money and start asking what I can build with AI? That question changed everything. He stopped chasing the next tool. He found one real problem, one specific group of people, and he used AI to build a system that solved that problem. Now, AI wasn't his business. AI was his leverage. And for the first time, he wasn't simply earning money. He was building an asset. That's the difference most people miss. AI can help you make money, but AI won't build your wealth for you. What you build with it will. So don't ask, how can AI make me money? Ask, what can I build with AI that keeps creating value? Because making money is an event. Building wealth is a system. If you want to learn how to build that system, watch the next video. And subscribe, because here we don't just build better income, we build better minds.